Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm doing a recreation of my own look. So it is going to be this look right here. Okay, and if you're not following me on Instagram, do so. Makeupbykeaira. Okay, so this was a cut crease, but I took it and turned it to a halo, and it turned out really cute. The only thing I didn't do was the lip, because when I did this lip on, I didn't like it. So I don't know, so I kind of changed it around, but it'll be in the description box or whatever. I just put on my lips today. But yeah, we're going to jump into this look, and we're real cute. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and comment and subscribe and share, turn notifications, and yeah, and that's it. Okay, so to set my eyes, for the prime eyes, I'm going to use the Plouise Rumor base in number 2. And I've been using this base like for the last week or so. It's okay, like I don't see a big difference. Like I see my colors are blending easily. I do see that. But other than that, with the pigmentation and everything, I still getting the same results that I am using my Colourpop and my Makeup Revolution stuff. You know, I'm not like wowed. And that's really how much I use of this stuff. I don't know how much you're supposed to use. Like I see people put a whole eyelid on and pack it in. I don't know how they do that because it's not really that thick, not to me anyway. So nah. Okay, so the first palette I'm going to go into is the Fun in Paradise palette from Fenty Cosmetics. And we're going to take that beige, like a peachy beige color almost. And it is going to be our transition shade. And just packing it on the eye. And I don't know if I say this in my last tutorial, but I got some marble brushes from Amazon, and they are so good. Like, so good. I think I only paid $15 or $20 for them. Look. Okay, next we're going to the Saharan 2 palette. We're basically going to take the bottom row, so go from the orangish brown color to the dark brown to the burgundy, and I'm going to mix the burgundy and brown together. Okay, so next I'm going to the brown, and I'm going to put it right here in my crease, and I'm going to tap it in first, and then I'm going to start blending. I'm learning with certain colors that I need to start working backwards instead of going from light to dark. I need to start going from dark to light, because sometimes the color don't want to blend and stay there. Okay, and I'm also going to add a little bit of black in the crease as usual. And this black is just deepening up my crease, so when you cut your crease, it's going to be a little bit more defined. eyes are literally two different colors. And I don't understand because I use the same shades. I don't know why this eye always comes out darker than this one. Like, I don't understand it. Like, my eye's supposed to look like this, but you see it's all extra dark, right? Like, every day does something different. I don't understand. Like, you know what? This just whole side of my face over here is kind of jacked up because my highlighter is never the same. Okay, like, I don't know. I don't know. Okay, so we'll take the brown and put it on the inner and outer corner. That's gonna be the first colors we use. And just gonna tap it. Okay, so for the rest of it, we're gonna take this turquoise and it's gonna go right in the middle. Okay, so I'm taking the golden liner. I'm gonna place it in my crease. Okay, so for my under eye, the only thing I did was what I usually do. Reverse the colors from dark to light, so brown, burgundy, light brown. Okay. So for my inner corner, I'm taking the chunky glitter from baddie and I'm going to take Oktoberfest. It looks like this. It's a mixture of red and orange, and yeah, it's kind of just like red and orange. And then the other one I'm taking is called Girl Power, which is a mixture of blue and pinks and purples. Okay, so Oktoberfest is going first. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with Girl Power. So for highlight, we're gonna take the Fenty Beauty and Trophy Wife. And I'm gonna try to put a little bit of this on. I do mean a little bit. And after that, to bronze my face first before I do that. Okay. Okay, so for bronzer, instead of taking like a matte or a shimmer bronzer or something like that, what I do is take a highlighter that's too dark for me. And this one is the Crayon Case in Anglowa. Okay. And I just take a little bit on my brush and put it right in the middle of my contour. Okay, then I'm going to take the Juvia's Place Heroine Glow Highlighter and kind of go over this to calm it down a little bit.